Recovering data from an old backup and discovered an MYC file? This is a backup archive from a personal backup application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to extract data from these simply safe backup files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like MYC. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. MYC files are backup archive files created by Simply Safe backup software used for personal and small business data protection. They contain compressed backed up files, folders, and metadata, enabling restoration of user data after data loss or system migration. MYC files use Simply Safe Backup's proprietary archive format, storing compressed file data with original folder structures, permissions, timestamps, and integrity checksums. The format may include encryption for sensitive backups requiring the original encryption password for restoration. The proprietary opener for the MYC file structure is typically Simply Safe Backup by Joshua Cannon Butcher. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows generally can't open backup files directly, so proper access requires the software that created them. We are testing every installed file handler. Right-click your MYC file and choose Open With. Test Simply Safe Backup first. If it fails, select another application. The correct reader is in that list. If your MYC file will not open yet, do not panic. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the MYC file is refusing to open. First, opening with Simply Safe Backup. Install Simply Safe Backup from the original software vendor or your installation media. Launch the application and use the restore function to browse and extract files from the MYC archive. Choose specific files or restore the entire backup to its original location. Next, verifying backup integrity. Within Simply Safe Backup, use the verify function before restoration to ensure the MYC file is not corrupted. Verification confirms backup integrity through checksum validation, preventing failed restorations from compromised archives. Recreate backups if integrity issues are found. Finally, contacting vendor support. If Simply Safe Backup is no longer available, contact the original software vendor for legacy access tools or format documentation. Some backup vendors provide standalone restore utilities for customers who need to access archived data without the full backup product. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.